Do you find it difficult to perform meaningful data analysis with generic dates in Power BI? The out-of-the-box solution doesn't always work and it can feel very limited. In this video, I lay out 3 simple steps to look at how we can easily create meaningful date tables without writing any code yourself. So you can analyze your data in a way that makes sense for you, like week number, days of the week, or even your company's fiscal calendar. And we'll do all of this using free AI tools. Hi, my name's Anne from Adair-Major Consulting. We help companies with their digital and technology transformations. A big part of that is ensuring people are able to use the tools that they have to hand. In this video, we share real tips and techniques we use with our clients across the world. Before we get started, let's load some sample data into Power BI and take a look at where the issue is, okay? Here we are in Power BI. I've loaded some sample sales data. You can see we have a standard date column. Now, Power BI already creates a date hierarchy, which seems helpful at first. But what if we want to analyze sales by the week number, or the day of the week, or even, most commonly, according to our company's fiscal calendar, which might start in April? The standard hierarchy just doesn't give us that. We're really stuck and limited with year, quarter, month, and day. This is where free AI tools can come in. So let's head over to ChatGPT. You can see this is the free version of ChatGPT. I'm not even logged in. We're going to use a prompt that I've already written. I'll include this prompt down the bottom in the video description so that you can copy and adapt it to your specific needs. Okay, so back into Power BI, specifically the table view. Select New Table and copy the DAX code that ChatGPT generated for us. Power BI will instantly create your dynamic date table based on the date fields that you'd suggested. Up at the top, go to Mark as a Date Table, choosing your date column. Then Power BI now understands that this is the date table that you want to use. So we'll then just create the connection between our data, in this case the financials, and our date table by going to the relationship view and creating a connection by dragging date column from our new table over to the corresponding date column in the main data table. This creates a one-to-many relationship. Now, here's a key tip. For all our text-based columns like months of January, February, Power BI will automatically sort them alphabetically by default, but we can fix that. Select your text column, find Sort By column, then click it and choose the corresponding numeric column that represents the correct order. So, for example, month number or day number. Do this for all the text columns that you want to chronologically sort. This way, in visualizations, they'll be sorted chronologically and not alphabetically. Step 3 is the fun step. Now we can use the date table to create visualizations in the Report Creation tab, and this will let us drag and drop fields from our date table and mix that with fields from our main data table. However, to take this up a notch, we want to create a date hierarchy. Select one date field that you would want to include in your hierarchy and then right-click, Create Hierarchy. I rename it and then go through adding, in the order I want them to be in, the other fields I want to add to that hierarchy. Think about how often you analyze data across different time levels and what makes the most sense for you. Creating a date hierarchy makes this incredibly easy and intuitive for anyone using your report. And instead of you dragging in separate year, quarter, day fields, trying to get it sorted right each and every time, you simply drag in your single date hierarchy field. Power BI automatically understands the relationship between these levels. This keeps your field pane clean and your report building process efficient. Plus, it empowers report consumers to explore the data at their own pace and in their own way. They can easily expand and collapse the hierarchy within visuals, like charts and tables, to get the exact level of detail they require, without you having to create multiple visuals. It provides a structured and logical way to navigate time-based data, leading to clearer insights and more effective analysis. It's a fundamental technique for building user-friendly and powerful Power BI reports.